Alright, my hardcore lemon lovers, this recipe is for you. Hi friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and today I'm sharing homemade lemon ice cream that is refreshing, creamy, and incredibly luxurious. What makes this recipe so unique is that it has a bright and citrusy flavor without being too tangy. The secret to accomplishing that is to let the lemon zest sit with the sugar overnight. The sugar will pull the lemon oils from the zest, giving this ice cream the most amazing lemon flavor. Using a custard base is the way to make homemade ice cream thick with a smooth texture. To do so involves egg yolks, whole milk, lemon sugar mixture, and a pinch of salt. As a side note, the darker the color your egg yolks are, the more it will give the ice cream a beautiful natural yellow color. To make the custard, add the ingredients to a medium-sized saucepan and stir well, making sure the egg yolk is well incorporated into the milk. The most important part of preparing the custard base is to use medium heat while stirring constantly. Cook until the mixture starts to thicken slightly and becomes steamy but does not boil. It will start out having a more watery consistency, and when done, will look more like heavy whipping cream. Once it has slightly thickened, strain the mixture through a fine mesh colander. This will remove the lemon zest and any lumps that may have formed during cooking. Now add in the heavy whipping cream, limoncello, and lemon juice. This brings me to the next incredibly helpful tip. Adding in a small amount of alcohol, like limoncello, prevents the homemade ice cream from freezing to rock solid state. In other words, the ice cream is very easy to scoop after being in the freezer for a while. Once the ice cream base is made, chill until icy cold, about 8 to 12 hours, and then it's time to churn the ice cream. My mom gifted me my Cuisinart ice cream maker about 20 to 25 years ago, and it is still going strong. Not only does it make churning ice cream so much easier, it also makes this incredible soft serve ice cream that is impossible to resist. I mean, come on, who could resist that frozen wonderfulness? Okay, so once the ice cream is churned, you can serve it immediately in soft serve style or transfer to the freezer to firm up. Either way, this is basically the ultimate summer dessert for anyone who loves lemons. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.